Wi-Fi Smart Control Electric Water Heater, multifunctional LED digital display. Set temperature, actual temperature, adjustable temperature 25 degrees to 55 degrees. Water flow, work time. How to connect Wi-Fi? Press the power button for 6 seconds. A beep will sound. Open the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on your phone. Open the Smart Life app. Add this device. Enter the Wi-Fi password and complete the connection. Through the app, you can control the machine on, off, and adjust the temperature. View the actual temperature. Water flow, power consumption, run time, and water use data.
Sample room, sporting OEM ODM. Authoritative patents and international certification. SGS, TUV, GCC, CE, CB, ROSE, ETL, ERP, Sabre, and 3C. Positive reviews from overseas buyers since 2018. Material inspection, production, assembly, semi-finished product testing, finished product testing, bench testing, packaging, transportation simulation.